Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create QR code in Google Sheet in few simple steps. It's very easy, so let's get started. First of all, to create QR code you need a link. I am copy the YouTube link, then paste into first column and first row. After that, I need a code. Uh, don't worry, I will put this code in the description box. You can get from here. Then paste in column B, row 1. QR code is ready. To make bigger QR code, you can adjust the column and row size, and you can also copy the QR code and download the QR code or by clicking Ctrl C, copy, and you can paste it in a document or download it.